In this video, I'll be showing you how to share PDF as a link. Anyways, getting into it, it's very simple to go ahead and do this, and you can do it on literally anything. But the first thing we want to do is download an application for completely free. So we want to go to our browser of choice, and then we're going to go ahead and type in Adobe Acrobat Reader. Then go ahead and click on download, and then you're going to see a downloaded Acrobat Reader, but I'm going to uncheck anything because I don't want any add-ons. And then all I want to do is press download right here. Then click on the exe file. Go ahead and press yes if you get any pop-up. And now it says installation will begin shortly. I can now close that Chrome tab. And now I just got to wait for it to download and then install. Now this is obviously just going to depend on your internet speed and your PC too. Now, once it's done, it's going to look something like this. And at this point, all you want to do is just open up your PDF. So I'm going to press open file, and then you just got to go ahead and find it. So I'm going to open up this one right here. Now, if I want to go ahead and share it, I'm going to see a lot of different options at the very top, but I'm going to see the share button right here. Now, all I want to go ahead and do is press get a link. And then it's just going to be generating a link for me. Now it says link copied. And all I got to do is I can just, use that link and send it to whoever I want. Now, if you found this video helpful, drop a like and subscribe.